Welcome, learners. In this video, we will cover the removal of the power supply for the Cosmic Cabinet. The required tools to complete this task are as follows: a 7mm nut driver and a number 2 tip Phillips screwdriver. To start, we will need to remove the printer and the printer housing. Place the VV in the service position as shown here. As shown highlighted in the photo, there are a total of 3 7mm nuts located on the right side of the printer and 1 Phillips screw located on the left side. Remove these and place to the side. After that, we will disconnect the power cables from the printer as shown. Allow this to hang freely. Now, lift the printer housing from the printer bracket. As a precaution, remove the printer harness from the printer bracket, which is also being demonstrated here. You will notice on the back of the printer, there is 1 screw that holds the power harness in place. Remove this as well. We are now ready to remove the printer mounting bracket. To do so, using your 7mm nut driver, locate the 3 nuts as highlighted here. Remove the top 2. For the one on the bottom, loosen it enough to allow you to remove the mounting bracket. Again, set these nuts to the side for later. We can lift up on the mounting bracket and remove it. Set the bracket to the side. Now we can look at dismounting the audio board assembly. Using your 7mm nut driver, observe there are 3 nuts we have to work with. 1 located right below the power plug on the bottom right, the other located on the left side of the cabinet, and 1 on the back of the EGM. For all 3 nuts, we just need to loosen these to allow us to lift the entire assembly up and allow it to hang freely. With the audio board laying to the left, we can see there are 3 connections to the power supply. Disconnect the 2 Molex connections as shown, and also disconnect the power plug. Once this has happened, we can now remove the 2 Phillips screws that secure the power supply in place. Use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to complete this task. Now grasp the power supply and lift up and out to remove it as shown. To install the power supply, repeat this process shown in the reverse order. Thank you for learning with us.